Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to find the value of cosine 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, sin 4a. The given is sin a equal to 3 by 5 and a 0 less than a less than 90. So a is the acute angle. So first thing about the sin a, sin 2a. So here the formula is 2 sin a into cos a. And here sin a is the already given. We need to calculate cos a. So here we already know, so we can write this place sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So here we can write cos square a equal to this sin square going to take the right, so it come sign change, then it come 1 minus sin square a. So sin is a, the value is 3 by 5. So we can write 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Solve this. So it come 1 minus 3 square 9, 5 square 25. So here 25, if you solve, take the LCM, it come 25 minus 9. So here 16 by 25. So cos a square a equal to 16 by 25. So if you take the root, so here cos a equal to root under 16 by 25. The value come cos a equal to 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5, I will not take this, only cos a equal to 4 by 5. So here sin a equal to 3 by 5, that given, and cos a calculated 4 by 5. So here we can easily calculate sin 2a. Then sin 2a equal to 2 into sin a. So in place of sin a, going to put 3 by 5, cos a 4 by 5. So if you calculate this one, the value come 24 by 25 is the first answer. Now hereafter going to calculate cos 2a. So about the cos 2a, we already know 1 minus 2 sin a square a, or we can also use 2 cos square a minus 1. So you can use any one of these two, or you can write cos square a minus sin square a. So this is the formula of cos 2a. So if I use 1 minus 2 sin square a, so here we can also write sin a whole square. So 1 minus 2 into sin a, the value of sin a 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square. So 1 minus 2, 3 by 5 whole square, 3 into 3, that come 9. 5 into 5, 25. So after that, here 1 minus 2 into 9, 18 by 25. So if I take the LCM, 25 it come, 1 and 25 LCM, 25, and here 25 minus 18, so here the value come 7 by 25. So 7 by 25, this is the answer of cos 2a. So this is the answer of cos 2a and sin 2a. Now hereafter we need to calculate tan 2a. So we can easily calculate tan 2a. So here if we know, we can write tan 2A equal to sin 2A divided by cos 2A. So sin 2A value that I calculated 24 by 25, and sin cos 2A the value calculated 7 by 25. So this 25 cancel, the value is 24 by 7. So this is the answer. Or if you know second way, let's see about the second way. Tan 2A, so we already know the formula is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So this is the formula. And calculated sin A and cos A. So here if I calculate tan A equal to sin A by cos A, 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5, then it comes 3 by 4. Okay, so here the value of tan A equal to 3 by 4. Now just put 2 into 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So 2 into 3 by 4. So if I calculate this, so 1 minus 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So here this comes 6 by 4 divided by 16 minus 9 by 16. 6 by 4, that 16, that go up. 16 by 9, that come. So here that comes 7. So it will cancel by 4 times. So if you calculate 24 by 7, the same answer that I calculated, 24 by 7. Now tan 2A calculated. Hereafter going to calculate sin 4A. So we can write sin 4A, sin 2 into 2A. Okay, so here, so sin 2A we already know, 2 sin A into cos A. So here we can write 2 sin 2A into cos 2A. Sin 2A formula, sin 2A value that calculated 24 by 25, and cos 2A calculated 7 by 25. So here if you solve this, the value comes 336 by 625 is the answer. So this is the way we can calculate sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, sin 4A. So formula must be remembered. After that you can easily get the output. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.